तो लोग पूछते हैं कि सर डू आई गो टू DIPR retired assessors, ex assessors और someone who's been recommended. So I'll answer that it depends on you. ठीक है, but there are a few things that you should take into consideration. ठीक है, there are some assessors who do not entertain doubts at all. ठीक है, इतने बड़े बड़े 200 80 90 100 बैचेस लेते हैं, नो डाउट्स एट ऑल. ठीक है, दूसरा they're not even fond of teaching, right? So you go to them, they will give you assessment, ठीक है, but they won't teach you how to improve on things. Fine. So question, it is up to you. ठीक है, कि do you want to spend so much of money and go to someone who doesn't do justice to your areas of improvement. ठीक है. On the other hand, there are some assessors, ex-assessors who do genuinely teach, right? On the other side of things, there are some recommended candidates. भाई उनको पता ही नहीं है वो खुद क्यों recommend हुए. ठीक है, why? Because they lack the necessary skills. Fine, they lack the necessary theory. Fine, they do not have undertaken any kind of studies. Fine, so they are not capable or competent. Fine. Then sir, who should we go to? Right? Trust and verify. Fine, don't go according point blank according to name. ठीक है, डेमो क्लास लो, go learn from them, right? See if it works for you, if you're able to understand their delivery or not. Do they have the right credentials? ठीक है, the question is having just the DIPR degree important? I mean, it is important for assessment, yes. ठीक है, but for self improvement of the candidates, what is important? Deeper understanding of psychology. ठीक है, so this is what's required. Fine. And I mean, people come to recommended candidates. Why? Because they want a strategy that they executed. ठीक है, so it is literally your choice. Fine, but do trust after verification. ठीक है, जय हिंद.